Hello, everyone. This is a quick demo of the FTC simulator. Eventually, you guys are going to start programming your robots to do things autonomously. And this is a very basic instruction. And what's great is we're over here at this simulator, so you can just do your code. This is exactly how it is for your robot. And you can actually see what it does in this kind of simulator. All right. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to move myself over here. Oh. I'm going to run the blocks. Nothing's happening. I want to get to the flag. Easy, all right? So the first thing I'm going to do, let me just move myself to a better spot here. About right over here. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is make my motors go. So I go up here under the dual, because we have two motors going, and I'm going to drag it right where it says put run blocks here. And where you see how it says motor left 1 and motor right 1, that means they are going full forward. I could do 0.5, that would be half power. I could do -1, that would be backwards. All right, so now I'm going to run it and see what happens. Oh, all right, it's spinning in a circle. And the reason it's doing that is the way we mounted the motors, one of them is actually like backwards. There's an easy fix for that let's reset this, is I go under my DC motor and I'm going to set my motor left up here in the initialization blocks. And what this is doing, I set it to reverse. What this is doing is before it even starts, it's going to make some decisions for us. So now it knows whenever it sees the motor left, it's going to reverse the direction. Now it should go straight. And all I did, that was under DC motor. I dragged it over. I put it to reverse. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Now there's still a problem, and you can't quite tell, but it's still going forward. I want it to stop. That's super annoying. You burn out your motors. That's not what I want. So now I'm going to do something using this, what's called the sleep command. It's a little confusing why they call it sleep. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to put it right where I tell the motor to go. All right. It sets the power. And what this is going to do is it's going to say, do that for 1,000 milliseconds, which is 1 second. And then we're going to do something else. Then, in my dual motor, I'm going to set it to 0. 0 is full stop. So what's going to happen, it starts off, I got to move myself again. Beep, 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 beep. All right. It starts off, reverses that left motor so we're not spinning in a circle. Now, when we get going, it's going to make both motors go for 1 second. That's what that sleep means. For 1 second, 1,000 milliseconds. Then it's going to set the power to 0. Let's see what happens here. Run it. Oh, pretty good, actually. It stopped, but not quite far enough. So I'm going to make it go for a little bit longer. Let's try 1,200 milliseconds, 1.2 seconds. Yep, not quite. Let's try 1,400 milliseconds. I run it, take a look, and there we are. I made it. Puzzle complete. Got it. And then I can click yes on to the next one. All right, and that's how you do it. So a quick review. We had to set the motor left to reverse so we're not spinning in a circle because it's just the way we physically mount the motors. Then we're going to set the power to 1. And this sleep command, which I got from the linear op mode menu, tells it how long to go. And then the next thing, I want to stop, 0. And that's it. And then I'm ready to go to the next one. Bam. All right. That's how we do it. And the next one, they want us to do backwards. So I hope that helps. Enjoy my awesome video.